Well, the time has come for me to sell my Timberwolf. It's been a great project. I've loved working on this thing, learned a lot, did a lot of hard work, spent a lot of hours, and I think it paid off. It's, I think it was a pretty awesome quad. I definitely recommend it to any of you if you'd like a first quad to just learn how to work on. The Timberwolf's great engine, 4-stroke air-cooled, and yeah, so I've been prepping it to sell. So you can see I didn't change the oil, but I checked it, and it's pretty it's looking pretty good. That's some Shell Rotella in there, which I use in like every 4-stroke that I have. Obviously you guys remember the new carb. You guys, those of you that have actually followed this build, remember I replaced the brakes, stator, CDI box, ignition coil, carburetor, petcock, what else? I mean, I can't even list everything I've done to this thing. Just general like bolts that were not in great condition, and then seat cover, which I love. I love these seat covers. Just got that on eBay. And then of course today brand new battery came in. So yeah, and so for the new owner, I'm including everything that I have, the spare parts of everything that I've done to it. So obviously the starter motor rebuild kit, and then these are just random carburetor parts, and then the original stator, because I figure if the pickup coil goes, he can use that. So there's that. I just gave him 2 quarts of synthetic ATV oil. This used clutch or brake perch that I purchased on eBay, and then ended up just using the original perch with a lever that I bought. Original carb, I don't know, who knows, he might want it. And then of course the remainder of the carb rebuild kit. So yeah, I think all that there is left to do is do one final startup of the quad, and then it's off to sell. All right, key in. Neutral light still works, it's good, and might need to be choked. So anyway, off to sell this right now. I will do a calculation later of my profit and my percent profit that I've gained on this project. And yeah, thank you for all sticking through. I'll give it some reps too. So, yeah, there it is.